Ever feel like your brain's running on a hamster wheel and your joints are in need of a serious vacation? Well, turns out you might need a little fish oil in your life. No, not the kind you're imagining from Grandma's medicine cabinet. I'm talking about ESN Omega-3. So I've been on a mission to find an omega-3 supplement that doesn't taste like the inside of a fish tank. And guess what? I found it. The ESN Omega-3 comes with a solid reputation. And after trying it out for a few weeks, let me tell you, this stuff is the real deal. First off, ESN uses high quality, concentrated fish oil with a high EPA DHA ratio. If you're wondering why that matters, it's simple. Those are the omega 3 fatty acids that can improve brain function, boost your mood, and help support joint health. And spoiler alert, no fishy aftertaste here. They've got the no fish burps thing nailed down. After using it for a month, I noticed a couple of things. First, my joints don't feel like creaky old doors anymore, and second, my focus at work has improved. I'm not zoning out as much, and let's be real, I'll take all the brain power I can get. Now price, it's definitely on the mid-range side, but you're getting pure, effective omega-3 without having to buy it in bulk from some sketchy fish oil farm. A little goes a long way here. So should you give ESN omega-3 a shot? If you want better joint mobility, sharper focus, and overall better well-being, I say yes. It's a solid, easy to take supplement that actually does what it promises. And hey, you won't have to pretend to enjoy fish oil ever again. Hope this helps you make a smarter fish oil free decision. Stay sharp, stay active, and as always, keep it real.